So this is the same principle for any bike when you're fitting up. How you going, guys? It's just Kurt here, founder of Nomad Moto. We're fitting up the Strzelecki Rackless system onto the KOVE 800 Rally. With this system here has the base lock on it. This is the 65 litre system, so that's our 25 litre roll bag, and you can see here I have the raincoat on top. So at the back here we've got two rear attachment points. We'll come up and I'll show you that in a second. You've got a space, you've got a gap there with no wires, nothing. It's almost made for it, and you just feed up through it underneath there. So then you just come up to the top. So that's done. So if you want to take the whole system off, I'm obviously not going to take it off now, but that's off. I've got my two front attachment points on. You can see how easy that is to take out. We come up to the back of the bike, and you can see here these that you get in our Rackless kit, they're shorter than what you would normally see. I have trimmed those for this bike. They're very replaceable. Don't be scared to trim these. And all I do is I wrap it around this rear tail piece. I trimmed it on an angle so it's easy to get through the fitting here. And we'll pull that back. There you go. I'll fit your back ones up. There, we've got that one in. And then we pull down the front ones, pull that down, pull that down. And what you want to do to really get this inside, you can push that in, pull that up, lock it in. Just tuck that up underneath there, or you can roll them and tie them off. Super solid, not going anywhere. So then what you do, you've got that all fit up, you get your roll bag, loosen your roll bag straps off a little bit, we clip it in, we'll clip it in. So this is the same principle for any bike when you're fitting up. It's quite a simple thing. You've got two rear attachment points and you've got two attachment points at the front. And on the Strzelecki you want to go around the frame and then back up into the top. So this is a really solid fit on the KOVE 800. Once you've got this locked in, lock in your rear straps for your roll bag. That's not going anywhere. You pull up somewhere, you want to take your roll bag off, done. Take your whole system off, leave your system on your bike, take your liners out, whatever you want to do. So there you have the fitting for the KOVE 800X, and any other bike, pretty much any bike model will do the same thing. All right guys, beauty, we'll see you on the next one.